I'm Chance.
I'm Zach.
And today we're going to be dismembering the wide body kit on the Evo. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. We're going to start with the side skirts.
We already took the front fenders off, as you saw in the previous videos, just because they were in the way and kind of annoying. So if you want to look right here, this side skirt's only held on by 2 rivets right here, because they were lazy. And they just,
yeah, pretty garbage.
Kind of just put it on there. So we're just
gonna go straight for it right now. Alright, well, now we should take off the bumper. I think we got 2 10 mils down here. You guys can see 2 10 mils. So while Zach goes around and cleans up the rivets, I'm gonna get that going.
goes. Boom. people that did this wide body were idiots. Okay.
Oh wow.
Here she is. It's not even too wide with the wheels.
No.
Like, look at it. Like, if it was flush, not all hammered in or whatever, that would be like, it'd stick out a tiny bit.
We might try and test fit a front fender real quick. Just to give you guys an idea.
I don't know where exactly
That comes off. Alright guys, it doesn't look too bad, but you guys can just tell it doesn't fit. It doesn't look good. So that's the reason why we're going back to stock. It'll look 10 times better. And yeah, we're just this much closer to getting the Evo back on the road. Regardless of the color of the body parts that I get, I'll probably run it for a while until I decide to get it painted when the funds are there available as well.
The hood is also red. We'll just have to unwrap it.
We'll just unwrap the hood. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching our video today.
Leave a like, comment.
Don't forget to subscribe. Let's try and get 20 likes on this video. And yeah, have a good day.
Peace.